Hi guys, welcome to another eVlog, eDentistry's educational videos. Okay, so you've just realized you've got dental decay or chipped or broken a tooth and you want to have it fixed. So just pop a filling into it and it should be fine, right? Unfortunately, it's not quite as simple as that. There are so many different types of filling materials available and each one's got its strengths, its weaknesses and different applications. How do you know which filling material to use? Well, there's generally two broad categories of filling materials available. There are direct filling materials and there are indirect filling materials. Now, direct filling materials are put into the tooth as soft materials first, and then they're set to make them go hard. Because they started off soft, they're often a little bit weaker and more fragile. But in small amounts, they do the job just fine. For example, if you've had a little small piece of tooth that's chipped away or the decay is very, very small, direct fillings are perfect to be used. The main types of direct filling materials are the white versions, which we call resin composites, and then those silver colored ones, which we call dental amalgams. Now the other category is indirect fillings. Indirect fillings are put into the tooth as solid materials from the beginning. They never have a soft phase. As a result, they're usually stronger and much more sturdy and better able to support a tooth. They're typically used in situations where, let's say, a very, very big piece of tooth is fractured away, or the dental decay was very, very large, leaving a very big hole in it once the decay has been removed. There's typically two types of indirect filling materials as well. There's the tooth-colored ones, which we call dental ceramics, and then there's cast metal, which is usually a gold or silver color. Just for the people who are interested in home renovating, I'll use a bit of an analogy which should make it a little bit easier to understand. Let's say, for example, you had a plaster wall and someone decided to punch a hole into the plaster wall with their fist. If we just say got some spack filler from the local hardware store, you'd be able to patch it up and still retain a lot of the strength and integrity of that wall. Now, using spack filler is similar to putting a direct filling material into a tooth. It starts off soft and it goes hard later. If, for example, someone decided to take a sledgehammer and smash out half the wall, all of a sudden the spack filler wouldn't be quite as useful because trying to rebuild half the wall with the spack filler would result in a wall that's not particularly strong or sturdy. In these sort of situations, we'd rather get another piece of plaster and join them two together, and that would result in a wall that was stronger. This is a similar sort of situation when you use an indirect filling in a tooth. As you can see, picking the right filling materials can result in a much longer lasting tooth and better long-term outcome. Well, that's it for today's eVlog. We'll catch you again next time.